success feature. Whether you're a solopreneur or a full-fledged entrepreneur with a team, you need people. In terms of getting funding for your business, hiring the wrong people costs time and money. As we consider how much help technology provides, let us look at how artificial technology can provide support. Artificial intelligence can review resumes very quickly. It can help you write job descriptions. It can suggest interview questions. It can create onboarding documents for new hires. It can organize training materials. So with support of artificial intelligence, these types of documents, these types of procedures in your business allow small businesses to grow without becoming overwhelmed.